Junior Council as the mayor.
Yes.
My big question is, why and how did you arrive at this noble cause?
Okay, we are the council for the people that believes we work with the people. So in times like this, it was a mandate whereby we have to include everyone regardless of their physical appearance. Many at times we see that people are judged because of how they look like or what they were created as. But the reality is people tend to see people with disability as triviality, and they tend to see the disability in them first before they see the potential that is within them. So the campaign is a mandate for us all, every citizen, to remove that perspective that people with disability can do nothing, but rather create an environment that is inclusive, appreciating all diversity, because at the end of the day, whether with one leg, whether with both, whether with one eye, whether with none, we are all the same, because we are defined by the inner ability, not our physical appearance.
All right, amazing, amazing. Her worship herself, giving us my sentiments. You can tell she's fluent, confident with the campaign. Right? Those that are tuned in right now, what do you want to say to them? What message do you have to give to them pertaining inclusiveness, especially towards children with disability?
Okay, what I would want to say to everyone here is it's not too late to create an environment where everyone feels accepted and important. So the thing with change is, if you want to make the world a better place, you take a look at yourself and then make the change. So each and every one of us here, each and every one of us listening at homes, each and every one of us who wants to be part of this, you can be part of this by just changing your perspective towards the people with disability.
For example, in 2023, we adopted a disability policy.
Okay.
We also have a number of other policies that promote social inclusion. For example, our education policy, it takes care of orphans and other vulnerable children. We also have the gender policy, which also supports social inclusion. We also have our education policy, which also further supports social inclusion. So to us, this is just one of the highlighters of how social inclusion is taken at City of Mutare. If you look, for example, at the pro-poor policy, if you look, one of the basic commodities of life, water, you will find that for those living in what we call the local government areas, we offer them 3,000 liters of water for free every month.
Oh, amazing.
So if you consume, if a property consumes less than 3,000 liters of water, we don't charge them. And that's in an
So if I can maintain my consumption to under 3,000 liters, I can go for a year without paying water.
Provided you live in the local government area.
Okay.
Yeah. So what it means is we promote life, through providing its city of Mutare. You look, for example, at Gimboki Primary School, which started operating last year. If you look at the ablution facilities, there is one specifically for those living with disabilities.
Thank you for that.
So, if you look at the buildings that will be upcoming as well in the city, we are enforcing that these buildings should be able to accommodate, for example, people living with disabilities.